The importance of supplier diversity cannot be overstated, but the amount of documentation and reporting can be quite overwhelming. But by automating spend analysis and supplier diversity target analysis reporting, the supplier diversity manager can spend less time in data grunt work and more time developing suppliers. This is an example of a report that is fully automated. It will give you breakdowns by year of what's your total spend and what's your diverse spend and what's your percent goal and what's your performance to that goal using different charts and even different graphs that'll help you understand the breakdown by diverse supplier type. My name is Lindsay Petty with Data Analytics Technology Advantage. Thank you for your time.